Guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with another new slime making video. So let's go into the video.
Guys, I have taken salt, baking soda, borax powder. So with these three ingredients we are going to make the activator in this bowl, and in this bowl we'll put the glue, and then with the use of this activator we will make the slime. The food coloring is optional. So now let's go into the video and start the making of the slime.
I have taken this 1 spoon. So let's take 1 spoon salt. 1 spoon. Now 1 spoon baking soda. And 1 spoon borax powder. So let's pour some water and mix the powder to mix the activator. So pour little water. So mix it well. The content should get dissolved. Once get dissolved, keep it aside. Mixed it well now. Let's take it and keep it aside and take the another bowl. So let's start making this slime. So I have taken quick gum too. Let's pour it. Guys, we have poured the gum. So let's start making the slime. Guys, mix the gum well, and meanwhile we'll pour the activator.
We'll pour little by little.
Pour little by little.
You can see the slime forming. On mixing well, the slime gets separated. So now let's drain out the liquid, additional water liquid from it, and we'll take out the slime.
Take out the water, and here's the slime. It's so soft. It's super stretchy. So hope you all like this video. Please like, share, your comment, and try this at home and put it in the comment box. So please like our video, subscribe the channel, and click the bell button for more interesting video. And bye.